Hello students, hope you all are keeping well. Today I am going to explain the poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer written by Walt Whitman from the main course book of class 8 unit 1. I will give you a small introduction about the poem first. It is a short narrative poem about learning against experiencing. It was first published in 1867. Whitman uses the examples of the astronomer to show the difference between academic learning and experimental learning. Actually, the speaker finds the astronomer's lectures about stars to be very boring. He does not feel any sort of connection to the subject matter until he goes outside and sees the stars for himself. He is enjoying the sky now himself. The poet explains that the true knowledge can be gained when we experience nature or when we observe the sky in solitude. This is the poem that we are going to analyze. I will read you the poem once. When I heard the learned astronomer. When I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were arranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide, and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room, how soon unaccountable I became tired and sick, till rising and gliding out I wandered off by myself. In the mystical moist night air, and from time to time looked up in perfect silence at the stars. Dear students, for the better understanding, please read the poem again. When we analyze this poem, we can say that it is a poem about the speaker's wonder of experiencing nature. For example, in the first line, that is, when I heard the learned astronomer, we can say that the poet uses the word learned. What does learned means? That means well educated. So the well educated astronomer lectured about stars with the help of some aids. Actually, here the speaker, he may be the poet itself, he is a common man, and the astronomer is a well qualified person with a great scientific knowledge. So we can say that the poem presents a stark comparison between scientific knowledge and cosmic reality. According to the poet, the speaker is listening to an astronomer who is explaining the facts about stars using several mathematical tools such as charts, diagrams, and columns. And the audience, they appreciates his knowledge and ways of explanation. But the speaker becomes so tired because of the uninteresting and monotonous lecture. So finally he walks out of the lecture hall and looks up at the stars in perfect silence. Now he seems more fascinated by the beautiful stars than the proofs and the evidence about stars. So we can say that the poem conveys the message that wisdom does not rely on man-made mathematical interpretations. One must walk into the lap of nature to understand its mystery. Or in short, if we need to understand the complex working of the universe, we need to experience it instead of learning it in theory. The theme of this poem is to experience nature personally. In the beginning of the poem, Whitman repeats the word when 4 times in 4 lines. He repeats these words to show that the lecture is dragging on. Actually, he is expecting something more from the lecture. While listening to the astronomer, he is feeling sick and so tired. So he goes out of the lecture room. When he leaves the astronomer's lecture, the tone of the poem shifts to relaxed and calming. Again, the speaker is talking about the moist night air and the perfect silence of the stars in this poem. This represents the imagery and how it contrasts the astronomer's lecture. Therefore, the speaker prefers walking out in nature to see magic. Or on a deeper level, The poem elaborates how people can appreciate certain things in the presence of nature. Dear students, I hope you all understand the poem well. We can discuss more in the next class. Thank you.